Hello everyone, my name is Yash Bagwe. I am from FYBBA, Sayok College of Management Studies. Today my topic is challenges and innovations in management. Further we will see what is the meaning of management. Management is a set of principles relating to the function of planning, organizing, directing and controlling. It is a science and art of getting people together to achieve some desired goals and objectives by coordination efficiently and effectively. Further, we will see what do we mean challenges in management. A number of changes taking place which are influencing the work of managers is known as challenges in management. Further, we will see what the types of challenges in management. The first type is political. Politics play an important role in business as there is a balance between free markets and systems of control. Political factors affecting business specifically revolve around taxes, import and export tariffs, environmental and labor laws, potential subsidies, and the stability of a given operational region. As global economics now supersede domestic economics, for many business companies must consider a number of opportunities and threats when expanding into new regions or identifying optimal areas for production, sales, or corporate headquarters. The second type of challenge in management is motivating staff. The further up you climb within an organization, the more responsible you become for the productivity and happiness of those with whom you work. In the short term, keeping team members motivated to perform quality work can feel relatively easy. However, over time, keeping teams focused and positive can be difficult, especially when working on challenging projects. A good manager will know when to interject and provide positive reinforcement and when to stand back and let things take their natural course. You will know that you have become a good manager when you are able to make these decisions naturally. The third type of challenge is resolve conflict. Many managers ignore problems and do not directly address conflicts with their employees or work team. Whether these are performance problems, conflicts among team members, issues of trust or personality clashes, managers are challenged to confront and address problems head on and as they emerge diffuse employees' feelings and emotions about the problem. Listen to both parties' needs and desires, derive win-win solutions that lead to more productive and positive work relations, and prevent conflict in the future by nurturing positive co-worker relationships and recognizing potential for conflict or problems early. After seeing some types of challenges in management, we will further move on to what do we mean by innovation in management. Innovation is the application or introduction of a few technology or method for doing something that helps an organization remain competitive and meet customer demands. Further, we will see the process of management. Process of management includes observe problems, develop the solutions, implementation and try it out. First, we will see observe the problems. Every manager should observe the problems going in the organization. Second, developing solution. Manager should develop a solution or find out the solution of the problem going in the organization. Third one is implementation. Manager should put a decision or plan into execution regarding to the problem. Fourth one is try it out. Manager should try the solution which are brought to an execution that the problem is going to solve or not. After seeing the meaning of it, further we will see one of the recent example Ford and Volkswagen developing self-driving cars. As we know, two of the world's largest car makers, Ford and Volkswagen, are competitors on the road. However, in 2019, they announced a partnership to work together to develop technology for self-driving cars and electric vehicles, which would be used in both companies' fleets of the future. While Ford brings more advanced automated driving technology, Volkswagen was leading in electric vehicles. Through the combined venture called Argo, both firms can spread their R&D spending across more cars while both developing competing products. Thank you.